Okay, 안녕하세요, Jofe.
안녕하세요, Kuya Rex.
Okay, no class?
Na?
So you're going to go to school pa? Okay. So, I'm here to deliver your monthly donation. Okay. Gahapon yesterday wala na, opso yun, no? Okay. So you have salset, bugas, can, and milk. And you also have 3,000 pesos for you. Okay. And lastly, you have to buy your hygiene set. Okay. Soap, shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, anything for hygiene. 500 pesos and take a video when you buy it. Okay.
안녕하세요, isang minim. 감사합니다.
Isa nagatag? Ison minim. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, sir.
Okay, so since Jada, Samantha, and Yashley, ng whole day class, okay, they will arrive here at 4:30. Okay, so yesterday, this is for then 3 box of ramen for Jada, Yashley, and Samantha. Okay, that is from Soyong Filming.
Soyong Filming, kamsahamnida for Yashley, Samantha, and Jada.
Take na lang sila video ang na-receive nila. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요.
Soyong Filming, give each one of you 1 box of ramen.
Uncle Soyong Film님 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 안녕하세요 everyone. Uncle Yang Film님 감사합니다 for the fruit. Watermelon. Yummy.
Sweet. Watermelon.
Grapes. Uncle Yung Chulnim, kamsahamnida for the fruits. Sarangheyo. Bye-bye.
Hey, Teacher Merlinda and Jinab.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so kumusta Inday? Okay ra? Dahil wala kay klase karon? Afternoon? Afternoon class. Okay, so Romilin and Jan teacher is whole day? Okay, so you will receive the delivery for Romilin and also for Jan day. Okay, Zinab, okay, you have 4,000 pesos. Okay, please receive Inday. 4,000 and also 1 box of ramen at your back. And also for Jandi and Romilin, since they are in school, teacher, please count teacher. 4,000 each, please count teacher. So for the total of 8,000.
6, 7, 8.
Okay. And they also have 1 box of ramen each.
Okay.
Romilin and Jandi, and that is all from Amagetuni.
Amagetuni, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida for Jandi and Romilin.
Please take a video, chair. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Ana. Yes. Lola, take good care of Ana, ha? So, you're from school, no? You just arrived from school? Okay. So, I'm here to deliver. You have 4,000 pesos for you, Inday, ha? Okay. 4,000 pesos. Kinsa may naghatag ana? Amagetonim. Mingaw ka ni Amagetonim? Yes. Ignas anang Amagetonim, bugo si puyo. Amagetonim, Bogoshipuyo.
Amagetonim, Bogoshipuyo.
Okay. So that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Jaisel. So, kano sa ka ni balik diri since nga ni hawa ka diri nga area?
Pag 21.
Pag 21 this month, last month June. Okay, so you stop from schooling na. Okay, and sa study room also. Then wala po kay plano nga mobalik po na. So since
Namang dati plano mabalik pero dili ko diri mag-school.
so you have planned to go back to school but in different school. Where man?
Sa sim.
Sa Cebu. Lugar sa imuhang kuan.
Yung taga dito magpud.
Ang unsa may maistaran dito?
Akong mga yaan.
Your auntie from Cebu. So ang imuhang boyfriend kuan taga Cebu pod. Araso. Okay, so you nakalimot na ka sa imong gi-promise unta ni Amagetonim. Katong gitagaan kaniya og 10,000 para mobalik ka sa school pero imo rang gi ignore ang iyang kuan no hangyo nimo. Okay, so swerte kayo ka kay today Amagetonim gives you also 4,000 pesos for you. Okay, so 4,000 pesos please receive.
Amagetonim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Thank you.
Okay. So what is your plan man inday nga nanakay boyfriend together mo nag-live diri? Ari mo nagpuyo no? Unsa may plano nimo ron? Wala ra. So imong boyfriend nay trabaho?
Pero karon kay mana sila dito. Tabang-tabang man sila sa mga stipalya.
Tabang-tabang siya to have income pod sa inyo ha, para sa inyo. Okay, so pila edad nimo? 14. Ang imong boyfriend? 16 years old. Okay. Okay. So thank you for letting me interview you ha. Okay. Sige, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Sheena ma'am. Okay. So since Sheena whole day class sila. Okay. So mauli siya mga alas 4:30. Okay. I'm here to deliver the bugas for Sheena, 25 kilogram. And that is from Dongjunim.
Dongjunim, 감사합니다.
Okay. Paingon lang nako si teacher nga magpa-video balik. Na-receive ni Sheena. Sheena. Okay, bye-bye.
안녕하세요. Good afternoon, Sheena.
안녕하세요. Good afternoon.
So, gikan pa kag school? Okay. Kumusta mang school karon? Okay ra. So, earlier, since dito man ka sa school, na kay rice from okay, Dongjunim.
Dongjunim, 감사합니다.
Okay, 감사합니다, Dongjunim. So, study well ha. Yung kamot yung ispila. Nya, kumusta man ang cellphone? Okay ra. Ikaw rin nagamit? Nya, nag-install na ka og mga educational apps? Okay. So, that's it. 감사합니다, Sheena.
감사합니다.
Bye-bye.